Welcome to Gallagher's Grub. Today I want to talk about these cool little gizmos I picked up. These are called egg rings, and they really make making breakfast sandwiches a lot easier. You just take the eggs, you put them into these molds, and then the eggs basically form the shape of the bread you're using. So in my case I bought these round ones because I like to use these round potato rolls. But if you use square bread, you can get square ones. If you can even get heart-shaped ones or star-shaped ones. So today I'm going to show you how to use egg rings to make a better breakfast sandwich. Stick around. I'm going to spray some oil into my cast iron pan and add the ring and spray some oil around the ring as well, just to make it non-stick. I've been heating this pan up for a few minutes, adding some Canadian bacon. I'm going to toast up my roll, and now I'm going to scramble an egg using a fork. After a minute or so, everything's nice and hot now. I'm going to add the scrambled egg into the egg ring. And I'm going to remove those rolls. I want to get those too toasted up. I'm going to close this lid and hopefully the top of the egg will cook. That's really the important part. So you don't want it to be too hot because then the bottom of the egg is going to burn. And you need to close the lid so that the top of the egg can cook. I'll add a little fresh ground black pepper and then close the lid again. Okay, so a couple of minutes have gone by, and I'm probably not letting the top of the egg cook long enough because it's still pretty loose. And you'll see when I flip it here, a little of it gets away from me. So it's not perfect this time. But I'm going to go ahead and add some cheese and close the lid and let that cheese melt. Alright, I think this Canadian bacon is done. I'm going to add that to my roll. And now for the egg and cheese. On top of that Canadian bacon, the roll on top. And let me tell you, this breakfast sandwich was absolutely phenomenal. And you can see how that egg ring really made this easy. Now, on my second one, I let the top cook a little bit longer, and I got a little bit better shape when I flipped it. So, with these egg rings, practice really makes perfect. So that's how you use egg rings to up your breakfast sandwich game. I think these are really helpful, especially when it comes to using, those smallish round rolls like I use, or English muffins. I'll put a link down below to the ones that I bought off of Amazon. I think they were like $11, but you don't have to buy that brand. You can buy pretty much any brand that you like. And this is not an ad. They didn't pay me. They didn't send me this for free. I just bought these with my own money because I thought I really actually needed them. So if you like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts on using egg rings to up your sandwich game. And of course, keep on grilling.